Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us or like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, if a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31 and b to the power of 2 minus a equals to 31, find the value of a and b. So we are going to evaluate this equation for us to find the value of a and b. So from the question, we are given a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31, and also given b to the power of 2 minus a equals to 31. This, let us call this equation 1 and this one equation 2. So we have these two equations. What we are going to do, let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we say subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So from here, this minus this will be a to the power of 2 minus b, all minus b to the power of 2 minus a equals to 31 minus 1. 31 minus 31. So from here, we have this parenthesis here. So this will become a to the power of 2 minus b. For us to clear this parenthesis, minus will multiply by b to the power of 2 will give us minus b to the power of 2. Minus times minus a will give us plus a equals to 31 minus 31 gives us 0. So here we can rearrange this. So we have here a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 minus b plus a equals to 0. From here we have a to the power of 2 and also have b to the power of 2. So recall, a to the power of 2 is different of 2 squared. So the solution of difference of 2 squared is in the form a plus b all into a minus b. This is for this. Then we have minus b plus a all equals to 0. So from here, we can see that here we have a plus b and we also have here b plus a. It's the same thing. We can rearrange. So this will become a plus b into a minus b. So we have here, we take the first one, which is plus, we have a, then this one is minus b. So this is all equals to 0. We can see that we have a minus b here and a minus b here. So they are common, we can factor it out. So we have a minus b into the whole of here divided by a minus b will give us a plus b. The whole of here divided by a minus b will give us plus 1 equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So let's set the first one, which is a minus b, equals to 0. Therefore, our a will be equals to b, where minus b will transpose into this other side. We have the value of a as b. So the second one, we have a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So in this situation, we have the value of a equals to minus b minus 1. So this is the value of a that we have, which is minus b minus 1. Let's call this equation 3 and let's call this equation 4. So we have this at the value of a, the true value of a. So what we are going to do is for us to look for the value of b. So we say from, let's take from equation 1. This is equation 1, where we have a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31. So our value of a, let's say at a equals to minus b minus 1. So where we have a, we are going to substitute the value of a as minus b minus 1 into this equation 1. So we have here minus b minus 1 all to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31. So this is what we have. For us to expand this, we recall that when we have a plus b all to the power of 2 equals to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. In this case, our a equals to minus b, then our b equals to minus 1. So we are going to represent this in this format because this is the format we have here. Representing this in this format, we have here as for a to the power of 2 is minus b to the power of 2. This is for this place. We have plus 2 times a. Our a is minus b. We have times b. Our b is minus 1. So we have plus b to the power of 2, which is minus 1 to the power of 2. So we have this minus b equals to 31. We have to bring down minus b equals to 31 down here. So this will become minus b to the power of 2 gives us b to the power of 2 plus we have 2 times minus b times minus 1 will give us 2b. Then we have plus minus 1 to the power of 2 give us 1. Then we have minus b equals to 31. This is minus b equals to 31. We need to bring down that. So here will become b to the power of 2. This becomes 2b minus b will give us plus b. So we have here will be equals to 31. When 1 transpose into this other side, it becomes minus 1. So here will become b to the power of 2 plus b equals to 30. So we have to bring down this other side. So we have b to the power of 2 plus b minus 30 equals to 0. So this is the new equation that we have, and it's a quadratic equation. So we need to clean this. So we have from our equation the quadratic equation where b to the power of 2 plus b minus 30 equals to 0. We can use quadratic formula to find this, and we can also use a factorization method for us to find this. Let's use factorization method. We need to multiply 30 by b squared, which will give us 30b to the power of 2. Two factors that when we add or subtract will give us b. That will be 6 and 5. That is 6b and 5b. 6b minus 5b will give us b. So substituting this in this parameter, we have b to the power of 2 plus 6b minus 5b minus 30 equals to 0. So this is what we have. So here we have to group it. So here b is common here. We can factor it out. We have b into b to the power of 2 minus all over b will give us b. Then we have 6b divided by b will give us 6. Then we have here 5 can go here. So we have minus 5. So we have minus 5b all over minus 5 will give us b. Then minus 30 all over minus 5 will give us plus 6, all equals to 0. So we have two parentheses here that are similar. So we have b plus 6. Then this divided by this will give us b. Then this divided by this will give us minus 5. So we have two parentheses that equals to 0. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Let's take one after the other. So we have here b plus 6 equals to 0. And also we have b minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, value of b here equals to minus 6 and value of b here equals to 5. So we have the value of b as minus 6 and the value of b as 5. But the first one we had, but recall that we're using a equals to minus b minus 1. So substituting this for us to find the value of a. So we have a equals to minus b minus 1. That is from equation 4. So here will become the value of b equals to minus 6. So our value of a will be equals to, this is minus into minus 6. Then we have minus 1. So in this case, we have the value of a, which is equals to minus times minus 6 will become plus 6. Then we have minus 1. So value of a equals to 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So the value of a equals to 5. So this other way, we still have here a equals to minus b minus 1, because this is where we are using from equation 4. That is equation 4. So in this situation, we have value of b as 5. So our a here will be equals to minus 5 minus 1. So value of a equals to minus 5 minus 1 will give us minus 6. So this is the value of a that we have. B is there and a is here. So this is for this other side. We recall that we said we need to clean over here. So we have this. This is from equation 4. Then we recall from equation 3. We say from equation 3, where we have a equals to b. So we will substitute the value of a as b to equation 1. Then from equation 1, which we said that our a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31. This is equation 1. So substituting the value of a equals to b into equation 1, we have here as b to the power of 2 minus b equals to 31. So transposing 31 to the left hand side, so this will become b to the power of 2 minus b minus 31 equals to 0. And we also have a quadratic equation here. In this situation, we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of b. So doing, quadratic formula is in the form b equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. From here, our value of a equals to 1 and our value of b equals to minus 1. We have here minus 1. Then our value of c equals to minus 31. Substituting this parameter into what we have here. So we have b equals to minus b, which is our minus b is minus 1. So we have plus or minus, we have square root of minus b, which is minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 4a. Our a is times 1 times our c, which is minus 31, all over 2 times a, which is times 1. So the value of b equals to minus times minus 1 will give us 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 to the power of 2 gives us 1. Then we have 4 minus 4 times 1 times minus 31 will give us plus 124. So adding that will give us, okay, this is all over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we need to clean this. So we have here a value of b, which is equals to, so we have 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 224 will give us 125. 1 plus 124 will give us 125 all over 2. So this is the same thing as 1 plus or minus this square root of 125 is the same thing as square root of 25 times 5 all over 2. So b will be equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 25 times square root of 5 all over 2. This is the same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5, root 5 all over 2. So these are the value of b, which is 2. We have plus or minus. So the value of b in this case is b equals to 1 plus 5 root 5 all over 2 and also 1 minus 5 root 5 all over 2. Recall that we had our value of a from equation 3, a equals to b. So all the value of ab, because we are asked to find the value of ab, we are going to spell out all the value of ab that we have. So we have, this is b and this is value of b, and we also have a value of a, and we also have a value of a. So here we are going to spell out all the value of a and b that we have. Let's clean this. So we are going to spell out, we are asked to find a, b equals to, the first value is, we have our value of a as 5 and the second one is minus 6. That is the value of b. We also have the second value of ab as, so here is minus 6. Then we have a value of b as 5. So the second one, where we have this, recall that we had from equation 3 that a equals to b. So the state value of a, which is a3 and b3, will be equals to, for here we have 1 plus 5 root 5 all over 2 and also 1 plus 5 root 5 all over 2. So both value of ab will give us 1 minus 5 root 5 all over 2. Then we have 1 minus 5 root 5 all over 2. This is 2. This is, so these are the 4 values of a and b that we have for the solution of this question. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.